seeing where I grew up, I never thought it would be possible to be where I am now. Ever since I've been making YouTube videos, I've always enjoyed sharing the progress with you guys. From the start of my house build to now, my dream garage.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
And that's little Logan.
I wanna chase the bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make one.
The first car in the garage.
And it's busted.
No, and he's stuck. Those plastic tires.
You think all your Power Wheels will fit in here? So these 2 bays are for you and Logan. And all your toys and your bikes and your scooters. These 2 bays are Logan and Liam's for all of their Power Wheels, bikes, scooters, all that stuff out there in the yard.
Yeah, we got
right here.
No, we're gonna give them the house garage. So that one's yours? All of her hippie stuff. It's a MILF right there.
We need to go to the dump.
Why?
We can make this into a chicken coop.
We'll put you in it.
Yeah, and you can keep all the kids and I'll take that.
All right.
I'll get to sleep all night long. No one will bother me.
Picking the camera back up, I get very, very sidetracked very easily. So that's kind of why it takes me forever to film videos, and I've been slacking on posting. We got our gravel. As you see, we're still waiting on doors. There was a little issue with that. 3 of my doors came in. 1 of them was damaged. I don't know. Maybe it might have been that one or that. I don't know which one it was. 1 of them was damaged. Not sure exactly which one it was. Laura's coming out here with little Lena. We've got all the gravel in here. It's nice and smooth.
Damaged, but you're not sure which one it is.
Yeah. Why?
It was probably this one.
Which one? That one? I was thinking this one at first, but then it could be that one over there. I don't know. Which one do you guys think? Would this be garage door 1, 2, 3, or 4?
I think it was 2.
You think it was 2? I think it was 1. Why are you rolling your eyes
Because
at me?
they're all the same. I don't know which one it was, but...
It was 1 of them. So we're gonna step inside here. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update, and then since there's not gonna be too much, I figured I'd just kind of go through, kind of show you future plans. We want to build a loft off to this side or over here. So like, I don't know if you guys can see it. This back wall that's behind me, I want to build a loft out there. So it's gonna like come out 12 feet, and it's gonna go to the length of the building. I think maybe put the steps up that back wall, and the loft will be like an 8 foot tall. For all the walls, obviously we're gonna insulate this, and I was thinking of doing OSB. I was gonna do the T111 because that stuff kind of looks like shiplap, and if you painted it, it'd look really good. Laura kind of likes that, but then the price on that stuff is kind of high. We might just do OSB or even like metal. We could even do that, but I was thinking about for the ceilings, doing the metal for the ceilings.
I would do something that you can hang stuff on though. If you do metal, you can't hang up all your stuff.
That's kind of why I was leaning more towards the OSB. Clay did it. I'll throw in a picture. Clay just sent me pictures. He was actually doing his today. So he insulated his with foam boards. I think that's a great idea. So I'll probably just go that route, copy him there, because foam board is going to be a lot cheaper than insulation. I don't know what the R value is on foam board. I think we'll probably do that and then just attach OSB to the wall. With the OSB, it's just basically wood. You can attach anything to it. You can build shelves. I mean, just bolt anything anywhere. And then we're gonna have to get like a license plate wall for all the tags everybody sends us. So all the tags that are over here, we're gonna move them to this garage, and we're gonna have like a tag wall. Maybe, shoot, if we get enough tags, we won't have to do anything. We'll just cover the whole wall. Is she pinching your nose?
Yes.
I've gotten this so many times in the comment section. Everybody's asked me, why not concrete first? Typically, you see whenever somebody builds a garage, first thing they do is a concrete pad. With a pole barn, you pour the pad after the structure is up. So they just pour the slab right inside the building, and it just will lock everything into place. Each post is down in the ground about 4, I think it's like 3 or 4 feet. They're sitting on concrete pads, and there's concrete poured in the posts too. That's why there's not concrete in here yet, and it's just a gravel floor for right now. A metal building is a lot cheaper because you see a lot of those metal building companies always advertising, oh, you can get this building for 15 grand or 20 grand or whatever for these massive buildings. The cost on those Where it's going to really hit you is in the concrete, because when you build a building like that, when you pour your concrete, you have to pour footers, and then with this you don't need footers because you've got post, so you use way less concrete with a pole barn. Your actual structure on a pole barn is going to be a lot more expensive than a metal frame building. Your concrete's going to be way cheaper with this. At the end of the day, you're probably going to be around the same price range. When I pour my slab here, it's just going to be the slab. We don't need footers or turn downs or any of that stuff. So what are you thinking for layout?
Your bed can go right there.
My bed. Hold up, bed. So are you kicking me out of the house? Is that what's going on? Look,
Not the point of building this.
I'm not gonna argue with that. I'd probably rather be out here. You can be in the house with all the kids. I wasn't here when Ryan came out and did the gravel. You said he backed the whole dump truck into the garage door. That's crazy. So like that.
It was in Bay 1.
Bay 1, lift, and then, you know, over here I want to put a TV, a couch, like you know, kind of like a little chill hangout spot. We put like a little bar area, you know, to drink our root beer and Shirley Temples. Bay 2, I'm thinking of having maybe on that wall right there, tire machines. These 2 bays, I'm pretty much just gonna leave them empty just for parking stuff. I was thinking about doing a 4-post lift later on down the road. I'm not too sure.
Shelby will be garage kept. Your Camaro will be garage kept. C10.
Once we get the garage, the C10 is gonna live in the garage.
This is the Fast and the Furious car.
Yeah.
Will live in the garage.
All my cars will fit in these bays over here. And then my lift bay will always remain open just for like stuff I'm working on. That's the goal. Give you guys a little tour of the outside. So now it's like, it's starting to come together. There's our cupola up there. That was all Laura's doings. Here's the lean-to. Really, really nice. I'm happy with how this turned out. This is gonna be so nice. We gotta put a fridge in the garage. This was another thing I was thinking about doing over here. Bay 4, that's what we'll call it. Let me know what you guys think, if this is a good idea or no. I was thinking of putting in a trench drain. If I decide to wash cars inside the garage, we'll just drain through the floor. I can pop it out like right there. This area over here on the side of the garage, we're gonna pour some more gravel. This is gonna be the junkyard over here. Huh?
Better not be.
What?
Put a cap on how many non-running vehicles you can have.
What do you think, Lena? Look at your hair, it's getting long. You give everybody a smile? She's so shy. Here, this side of the garage, we're pretty much gonna just overflow parking. This is kind of where I'll park everything. I'm thinking of parking the motorhome and the car trailer over here, just to kind of keep it out of the driveway and out of the front yard, because Laura's been giving me a hard time. Our layout just isn't that great, but we're gonna make it great.
Our layout is fine.
Then what is
Just
it?
the border.
No.
Tell them how many Power Wheels you bought last year.
I don't even know, hon. Do you know?
Like 11 or something?
11 Power Wheels. They all run.
No, they
What?
don't run.
Yeah, they do.
Let's go look at them.
No, we're not. We're not gonna. We're doing garage video right now. This garage
Well,
stuff.
they're going in the garage.
No, they're not. They're going in the house garage, not this one. What are we gonna do with the house garage? What's the goal for that? That's the garage that we've been making YouTube videos in for a long time now. Or, you know, when I get more project cars, I'll run out of space in here. I'll just park them in that garage for
ours then. Do you want to show them your first garage?
Yeah, let's show you guys the first garage. But if you've been on the channel, you've already seen it. If you're new to the video and you just clicked on it because you wanted to see this little tour of the new shop, and I guess we'll call this video tour of the new shop and future plans. So we're gonna move our tire machines, our lift in this garage. This is the old garage and it is a mess.
Your first garage.
My first garage? No.
Your first garage.
So this is what I had when we first met.
You bought it after we were dating.
Did I?
A year, yeah.
Wow.
So probably in 05-ish.
Yeah, and this is what I put all my tools and everything in.
Car wash stuff.
Car wash stuff, everything.
And
Because,
you got a lock on it.
oh my goodness, I didn't want nobody to steal my screwdrivers. I had to lock it up. When you live in a trailer park, you don't trust anybody. People steal everything. So, show them. This, this thing I've had forever. Can you get it open? Yeah, we just got like car wash stuff and random junk in there.
I think
We're gonna-
that's trash.
Yeah, this is all garbage. Yeah.
Throw it away.
I don't know where I bought it, like Lowe's, Walmart, I don't know. And it's all falling apart, but that thing's going in the trash. It's garbage. First garage. I'll have to go through my pictures. If I have a picture of it. That thing is like 16, 17 years old.
You could put it
15
in your
years
new
old.
garage,
That thing's like 15 years old. Like a nostalgia type thing? I could, I don't know. Let's show them. This is the, I guess this one would technically be the third Joyride garage.
Yeah.
Because the second one was when we lived up on High Knob. It is getting dark, but if you haven't been on the channel, this is our C10 build.
That's your first priority, right?
One of my first priorities. I got a bunch of other stuff. I want to do stuff to the Camaro as well. I've got a bunch of stuff planned for the Camaro. Okay, someone asked where I've been storing the Camaro. That's actually in the car trailer. I have too many cars, but not enough space to park them. That's going to end very soon. As I step back, you see how full this garage is. Way too much. So we have our Fast and the Furious Eclipse GT500. This is the car that basically started the entire channel. So when I first started making YouTube videos, this was my only car, besides whatever daily I had at the time.
Look, I got for Logan, it was out here.
Look at how messy this garage is. Laura actually found this bar right here on Bookface Market. So I was thinking maybe restoring this bar and putting it in the shop, kind of make it look nice. That's the LS that's going into the C10. We've got a built transmission for it that's under some junk hiding over there. We've got so much stuff in here. We've got more power wheels. So we did some videos on the tire machines. When we pick up the tire machines, we got those from Sears when Sears went out of business. So they're selling everything. They've got this rotary. They're asking $1,700 for that. Brake service stations over here. You've got your rim clamp, wheel balancer. Did we ever give them the story on this Coke machine? So your grandfather got it from a gas station that he bought, gave it to your mom. Your mom had it in her garage for a long time. And then your mom gave it to us.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be cool because it's a 5-cent instead of a 10-cent. And then it's also got bullet holes in it.
Here is the tag wall that we got from all of the tags that you guys send us. We just pin them up here on the wall, but we're gonna move. I actually have another stack of tags that I've been getting, but I have not put on the wall yet. So if you don't see your tag up on the wall, I've got a little stack of tags inside the house that still need to go up on the wall. I've not put anything up on the wall yet because I know that I'm gonna be moving all of this stuff, all of our signage, garage art. The only thing I'm gonna lose and miss is this awesome paint job that we did on the wall. This garage is a wreck. Remember when we could actually work in here and walk around? The loft is going to be for stuff like this. See my seats, just stuff like this that we can store up in the loft area, like that's off the floor, out of the way. What do you think, hon? This was my first subscriber right here. It's just full of clutter. That's all it is. We got another engine over there. Shelby bar stools. We've got our other tire machine over here. We've got the big air compressor. We got another fridge over here. Freezer over here that's not even hooked up. We've got way too much stuff, don't we?
Yeah.
Way too much.
Tires, like RV tires. Those two there. There's like 2.
We can hang up. That's wall art right there.
4 wheels over there. There's probably some in this pile. And then there's like 6 in the driveway.
Kinds of tires.
Power wheel crap.
It's not that bad. It's not crap either.
Your power wheel.
You guys haven't seen this thing.
You are gonna be like hoarders buried alive.
What?
Like you almost injured yourself just now.
You're crazy. So right now we're just waiting on the replacement door for the damaged garage door. Once we get that in, which I think is going to be another 4 to 5 weeks, which is insane. Garage doors are taking forever. But as of right now, we're kind of like in a little bit of a standstill. We're also waiting on Concrete Guy because Concrete Guys are busy as well. So we still got a lot of stuff to do. Did I talk about the walls?
Yeah.
Yeah. So once everything is completed, I'm talking like we're moved into the shop, I will do a final video as far as cost. And I'll do a breakdown of what we spent on each thing as far as groundwork, concrete, the framing, the walls, like everything. So anyone else that wants to build a building, they'll kind of have an idea of what we paid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Money is what everyone wants to
Yeah,
pay.
some things we got really good deals on, some things we...
Yeah, like inflation rate.
Inflation rate, yeah, because right now stuff is insane.
A horrible time.
So watch somebody be watching this like 4 or 5 years down the road, prices go back to normal, and then they're looking at my price video, what we paid, and they're like, dude, you're an idiot. I could have built that for half that. Hopefully that isn't the case, but it probably is. And if it is the case, that's, I guess, a good thing, right?
If prices go back down.
If prices go back down,
Yeah,
I hope they go back down. I wish we would have did this 2 years ago. I was talking about it 2 years ago, but didn't do it. If we would have did it 2 years ago, 2 years ago would have been way
You
better.
were trying to, but then you bought the Camaro.
I know, but hey, the price on that thing went up too. I probably could have, I could sell that Camaro the price that we are building this garage for. Maybe not, yeah. No. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it wasn't anything like super exciting and stuff like that, but I just wanted to kind of throw a video out there for you guys, just kind of give you guys an update, let you know what's going on, because I know some of you are like, hey, where's the garage build videos? What happened? Did you ever finish it or whatever? So right now we are at a standstill waiting on the damaged door to be replaced. So once that comes in, we're gonna start moving forward with these videos. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Say bye-bye. I just sat it down somewhere.